Hey guys, oh my god. Hey guys, CG Music here, and today, I can't do this. I can't start my vlog.
I need help putting my bra on.
So, I'm sick, and I want to vlog because we're going to Ikea, and I've never been to Ikea before. And Calista hurt her finger playing basketball last night. You know, yay, sports ball and all that stuff. So, I'm going to go have a shower and get ready. And
You're gonna help me put my bra on.
Gonna help Calista put her bra on. And she's gonna help me do voiceovers today if I can't talk. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
On a forehead. Well, fingers start coming and it don't start coming. Met through the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go.
Well, wow.
You never shine if you don't glow. Hey now.
Are we Calista? Oh, that was really bad.
I died because she's horrible at driving.
I drove.
And she's horrible. I nearly died.
Was I bad, Mum? Was I a bad driver?
Yeah. Honestly, I did better and I hadn't driven in 4 months, so...
Look, Ikea. About to... Really like this house. Yes, get in the bed.
I want to take a nap.
Right here.
Right here.
You have a bathroom and a laundry in one. Why not? This is just having a shower. Because I would not be able to reach that. Like, honestly. Jump.
We should get one of these, Mom.
Oh, yeah. Every horror movie ever.
It's okay. There's a mirror in there, so you'd be able to see behind you.
Oh, that's alright.
So that's okay.
These lights are actually my life right now. Look at that. Only $20, but I wouldn't hang it anywhere in my room, so. kitchen. Yeah, I know, right? It's like, oi, what are you doing? Homework? No, get to it.
I don't have.
You can sit there and do your makeup.
No, it's amazing. Look at those mirrors.
You could afford one of
You
those.
could just hang your outfit here for the next day. Oh my god. What are you doing?
So
So she got the Swedish meatballs.
thank you.
They're really good.
Yep, and what'd you
I
get?
got fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. Pizza, party and party. And she got wicker wings. Wicker wings.
Oh, chicken wings, not wicked wings.
Wicker wings.
What is it? Is it beanbag?
I don't know. But now I can't be bothered getting up. Yeah, that's why I didn't sit down. I'm stuck.
You're tired.
I'm so tired.
Lay down on the banana. I know, don't do that because you won't actually get up.